Hello guys, hello from Kyiv region. I'm right now near Kyiv Sea. It was sleepless morning, a lot of explosions and drones, but the weather is amazing and middle of November and plus 10 degrees Celsius. The sun is like I dreamt about it last week, and I with my grandmother and mom came for one night for have some barbecue and stay out in outskirts of Kyiv in nature, forest, and this amazing area. This summer I also did a video from uh, like different summer house which called Amore and Ecospace. I add the link here, you can watch the video. And now I would like to show you this area. Maybe once you visit Kyiv, you can think where to stay for weekends or where to go for the nature, or just you can see this video and see how people from the city can go somewhere to relax. So this is the hotel room. We are three, so we get like extra bed and an amazing view of Kyiv Sea. That is what I'm going to show you now, and I see some cool cat walking with my grandmother now. We just arrived and I show you the room. Simple, easy room, extra bed, my things we just changed. Here the bathroom, we ask for a kettle and this amazing terrace. Yeah, an amazing view. The cat is very friendly and I'm glad that we have a meet soon. We're going to feed the cat, so I'm going out now and show you more area because this is one place with the rooms. Look at him. Oh, coming. Hello. Hello. Привет. Що? Підемо гулять? Yeah. So what we have? One building, second building, and it is ours. We are on the first floor. Yeah, with our amazing neighbor. Let's have a look at this amazing view. To be honest, for me, it's like the best to go during summer or spring or autumn to stay somewhere out of Kyiv. But I got the special offer from the hotel for staying here, and so I decided to take my family and stay here for one night. What? What? Say hi. So yeah, and we decided to come here, and especially the amazing weather, and yeah, this was happened pretty spontaneously. Kitty. What? So even though I prefer like more have a house with kitchen inside and so on, we have just room, and we going now to restaurant to check what's there. And what is big plus of the hotel that you have a spa, sauna, pool, and restaurant. When you rent a house, you have just kitchen and the food what you bring with you. So probably this area where we will be later doing the barbecue and having dinner. And now, while it's good weather, we want to walk and explore the nature. This is the main entrance, and I can charge my electric car. And I don't know, was here in summer. That is like my first time here, and the name is Morewell. And there we saw the cat, and here's the place for nice doggy and some birds. A little bit chilly, especially near the water, but I'm so happy to see the sun now and no air siren, no explosion, because this night was just one of the loudest nights that I have experienced for the last 3 months, I guess. So anyway, a little bit sleepy and so on, but I'm just so happy to live in my hometown and have the chance to see like this amazing area and to go somewhere out of the city. My mom and grandmom. Okay, that is some also pickup service, because what I understand, behind me it's like first hotel area, and now they just building more houses and so on. So the rest is there where we're staying, and I came for like reception area, spa and restaurant. Yeah, drivers on this territory, and yeah, some nice terrace. The house looks a little bit different, but still I like it. Let's go to explore there. I don't know, maybe in summer here's more people, but I see one pool outside. I also know about the pool inside, and I see nice sand and place for swimming. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm that like a person who likes water and sea so much, and if you don't have the chance to go to Odessa or somewhere else too far, that is the area usually like where I go, and it's already third place or even fourth place in Kyiv Sea that I open for myself. So just really like it. I really love to wake up with this awesome view. And our plans now to go for breakfast, pack and leave. Yeah, they have a different complex here and also on the left side. And in case if you are lazy to walk or you are with grandma, you can ask them to pick you up with special transfer. So my mom and grandmother, they getting ready, and we will leave. And just, for me it's like so great to wake up with an awesome view in the nature, because on this hand you have the sea and there is a forest, and it's like more colder but fresh air, and you just have the opportunity to stay in the nature. Just had our breakfast, it's included, and it is our car. I don't mind walking, but for my grandmother it's a little bit a huge distance. It's like maybe 1 kilometer all the area around, and we have a pickup and go pack and leave at 12. So actually that's it. I hope one day you will come to Ukraine, and maybe during the better weather you also come to the Kyiv, maybe just for a couple of hours, not to stay in the hotel, because when I'm alone I can just drive here, walk by the sea and come back. But with Granny, we just like to stay the night, no rush, and we don't have village, we just have an apartment in Kyiv. So like spend some time in the amazing nature and have some peace of quiet, even though it's could be loud from air defense system, but it feels like something different, and I really like it. Give us some opportunity to travel and to see something else. So I really like this place. Amazing nature, amazing morning, and thank you so much for watching. See also another my video in my YouTube channel, and see you very soon. Thank you as always for your support, your coffees, your matchas, becoming sponsors on my YouTube channel, and thank you for all support, and bye.